Hey guys, High Five here, and in today's video, which is quite a while from my last video, I so apologize for that, I'll be showing you some new tweaks. You might be wondering why in the title of the video, which is right up there, it's only 5 tweaks this time. The reason that it's only going to be 5 tweaks this time is because I want to start a monthly occurring show, like a tweak show, where I just display 5 tweaks which I think are very cool and are very useful. There is no name for the show yet, but I'll get into details about the name at the end of the video. So enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Let's get right into this with our first tweak. Our first tweak is called Color Keyboard. Now, Color Keyboard, if I were to compare it to something, it would be iAccess. As everyone knows, iAccess doesn't really work anymore, and it's quite buggy, and I personally hate it. But Color Keyboard has come along and changed my ways about Color Keyboard theming. This is really simple. This is just Winterboard for keyboards. I'm just gonna show you keyboard right now. Mine has a fancy background on it. I don't know if you can see that, but fancy background. Color Keyboard also comes with a set amount of templates, you could call them. Like, they aren't full-fledged themes. The only full-fledged theme that Color Keyboard comes with is the pink theme. I'll show you that right now. Just gonna cut the video since I have to respring. Okay, now that I've respringed, I will be presented with a pink keyboard now. So now my keyboard's pink. Don't be alarmed if you only think that Color Keyboard comes with only those templates that you saw in my settings. In Cydia, they're popping up everywhere. So, like, you know, iAccess keyboard themes. The Color Keyboard themes are popping up just as fast now, and yeah, there's a whole bunch of them. Our second tweak for today is called Bigify. Now, Bigify is a lot like Shrink, but it's absolutely free. It's out of the Big Boss repo, so it's absolutely free. Gonna go in settings, go to Bigify. Now, Bigify is different than Shrink in a way, and yet it's sort of the same. In Bigify, you can make your icons bigger and make them smaller. And you can make them transparent, and you can make them rotate a little bit. Like, I'll show you. I'll put some of my rotate on. That's alright. I can flip my badges, and I'll make my icons big. Okay, and apply. I'm respringing, so I have to cut the video again. Okay, I'm respringed, and we're gonna see my icons. Now my icons are really big, and they are currently upside down. They're upside down, so they don't look that good at all, but this Bigify works with Winterboard, but I'm not too sure if Bigify works with Barrel, because I currently don't have Barrel right now since I just updated to 4.3. If you know that Barrel works with Bigify, just put it in the comments, and I will put an annotation, like here. Or the annotation is probably already up right now. So, yeah, that's basically it for Bigify. So, yeah. Okay, so our next tweak is, you're lucky guys, it comes in a 2-in-1, sort of. It's Safari Download Manager and S Music Pro, actually. I forgot the Pro, sorry about that. The reason why they go hand in hand is because Safari Download Manager, you probably know what it is. It downloads music, movies, pictures, almost anything on the internet, and it stores it on your device. And what S Music does is it plays those files back. It can play movies, it can play music. I don't think, and that's why I use it. I'm just gonna show you an example of them working together. Okay, I think I have a download that works now. Just price tag, download it. And then Safari Download Manager pops up, and it's like, do you want to download this? You can even select where you want to download the file to, or you can just view the file like Safari would always. I'm going to click download. They go into my downloads tab, and it's currently downloading. Just going to let that finish up. Just a quick note. All of these tweaks, most of these tweaks are free, but some of them are paid for. And if you want to get them for free, there is a source in the description down below. You go to Cydia, edit, manage, add, and you add the source that's down there, and you just search them up, and you should be able to get them for free. All right. So now that that file's done, I'm gonna go over to S Music, which is right there. And you're presented with this interface. What I forgot to tell you about S Music is that S Music can be themed with the Winterboard, and you can theme it yourself. But I choose to keep it default since it looks pretty good that way. So when you first open this app and you have a song downloaded from Safari Download Manager, you're gonna have to find it, sort of. So you're gonna have to browse through your files. So I'll just give this to you right now. You go down to var, which is at the bottom, and then you go to mobile, it's right there. Then you go to media, then you go to downloads, and then here's all the songs that I have on my iPod right now. And then here's the one that I downloaded. Okay, and it looks like I downloaded a live version, which doesn't really matter, but it's still downloaded and it works. And you can also just hit this button that's up in the top corner, and all the songs that are in the folder will appear at the bottom. And you can also make playlists, so I can go to playlist, you can go to edit, new, oh, it's up there, why is it up there? Okay, there it is. My keyboard's still pink from Color Keyboard, so don't judge. And pink is an awesome color. Just name it random. Done. And then you can open this, and then you can edit, and then add songs from the folder. And I don't want to browse the folder again, because that's sort of dumb to just do that just to show you. If you guys have really much trouble with that, I will make a video showing you how to edit all the playlists and stuff. Alright, let's move on to the next tweet. Yes, I don't know why I pointed, but that wasn't a pointed description, that was just a yay point. Okay, so our next tweak is called CleverPin. Now, CleverPin is basically an extension to the code lock. You know the code locks where they go like that and you have to type in the code. Mine's not on right now because of CleverPin, but what CleverPin does is that you can program when you want your pin to come up. So like if I'm connected to my Wi-Fi right now, so I don't have a password right now, and then when I'm playing music, the password won't come on. When my battery charging, it won't come on, and if airplane mode, it won't come on, and such and such. And there's all these toggles here, and then you can auto reactivate it in a set amount of time. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I were to turn connected to network off, and I'll click home. So now every time I try to unlock my device, my code will come up. I don't care if you guys know my code, you're not gonna get a hold of my phone anyway. But I still have, when I play music, the code's not on, so I'm just gonna put on a song. Locked it, press the home button, and I'm gonna unlock, and there's no password anymore. So I think this is really very useful. Oh yeah, I got that right on 10 seconds. Can't be sued. Hell yes. Sorry for going off topic, but this is really useful if you're a person who hates the code lock because it's always being shoved in your face. And this is also for the people who need to have their phone unlocked half the time and they don't want a password half the time. So like this keeps your phone secure with you being able to actually use it without having to type in a code. Okay, so our last tweak is not really a tweak, but it's more of an app. It's an App Store app, but I think this is really cool and it should be considered a tweak. The app's called My Music Stats, and what My Music Stats is that it tells you everything about what you're listening to, how long you've been listening to it for, what's your favorite artist, what's your favorite song, what's your favorite everything basically. So, and what's the coolest thing is that you can actually graph things. I can graph how much I've been listening to stuff. So like, alternative. Oh wait, no. Other is this big blue part right here, and then this darker blue part, if you can see it, is other. The red part is not specified. Green is rock, and purple is hard and heavy. And then time spent listening is basically the same graph. I don't know why they added the second one, but it doesn't matter. You can do your time spent listening. 2,487 hours I've been listening to music. Then you got your favorite artist, which is right here. How long you've been listening to that artist for. So the longest artist I've been listening to is My Chemical Romance, and then it's The Used, Billy Talent, Rise Against, Paramore, and then it's the one that's not specified, so it just shows up blank. You also can do by genre. I listen to alternative a lot, and then not specified, rock, hard and heavy, other, alternative rock, pop, rock / punk. So yeah, mixed genres there. And then you can go into and then you can go to songs, and then you can do show by title, play count, skip count, how many times you actually skipped a song, which I think is cool. You can see what song you have is the longest song you have. You can show your songs by rating. You can show by last played, show by time spent listening to it, show by genre, and that was my girlfriend. She said hey. Show by genre, artist, and you can show by song currently playing, and you can get some details on the song. I don't have a song playing, so nothing should really happen. And then you can go to albums, and you can see my most listened to album is The Black Parade. So yep. And that's basically it for this tweak. I mean app. It's an app, but it should be considered a tweak because it's that damn cool. Okay, so that's all the tweaks. Video is basically over, but just one more thing. As I said in the beginning of the video, these 5 tweaks I'm going to be doing every month. And I need a name for the show. So I just decided that you guys should name the show, and I'm very confident in you. So just put a comment down below with the name you would like the show to be. Sorry about that. And then people would just vote it up, click like, and then I'll go to the top, and then I will just read all the titles of the videos, and basically the one with the most thumbs up will probably end up being the name of the series, show, whatever you want to call it. And so that's basically it. So I will see you later. Oh, and just for making it to the end of the video, I'll just give you a bonus tweak. Barrel 2. I don't know if many people know about Barrel 2. Developer just made another barrel just to get more money. It just has more rotation things, so like more animations. So just add the source that's in the description and it should be free. So I will see you in the next video, and make sure to vote on the title for the tweak series. See you later. Rock on.